Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Make sure you all like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Hey y'all, we're gonna get straight to this video because this lesson is gonna be very interesting. Everything need to be obtained from this lesson, and you all get a whole bunch of benefits from this lesson. You get the benefits of learning Python. Python is very strong. You can actually do a whole bunch of powerful things. We're talking good, we're talking bad, but hopefully you will choose the good things to do with it. Make websites. You can design websites. We can go more into that depth. If you all want that type of video, make sure y'all put it inside the comments. Alright, I will get straight into this. So today's lesson is going to be talking about comparing numbers. Not anything, but numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers like 7, 6, 5. Comparing as in greater than or less than or equal to. But let's get straight into this. You all also need to download this app also. This app is very wonderful. This app will help you learn. If you want to learn web development, it's okay. If you want to learn Python, it's okay. You can learn both of them. But I would advise you do one at a time for a good bit of time, especially if you just beginning, or you all won't get disappointed or lose your motivation behind learning. You all will actually get the most out of it if you all just stick to one for right now. Like a month or 2 or 3. If you all, depends on how long you spend. But you'll know when you're ready. But yeah. Okay, the app is called Mimo. Mimo. It's gonna be in the description below. Alright, comparing numbers less than 1. So we can compare to check if a number is less than or greater than another number. To check if a number is less than another number, we just use a less than operator. What's an operator? Operator is just operation. Alright, if the number on the left is less than the number on the right, like 1 is less than 235, then it's true. So a quick way for you can remember this, because when I was first starting off, I still remember how I kind of like a little lost on this, because teachers wasn't probably explaining it all the way. A lot of people just probably get it straightforward. Like, as me being a beginner, I was like, oh man, I'm kind of like, I feel like I'm getting this. So this how I got it. I was like, I had to read it out. Instead of reading the sign, you say it out loud first. But like, the left side, when it points to your left side, it's less than. And once it points to your right side, then it's greater than. And the way for me to remember it was because I'm right-handed. Because I'm right-handed, I'm like, yeah, the right hand goes to the right side, and the right side is greater than. And probably is greater than your left hand because that's your dominant hand. But yeah, that's how you can remember it. And right here, what I just put in, it was less than. So 1 is less than or lower than 100. 1 is lower than 235. Ain't true. So if a number on the left is not less than a number on the right, like 235 is less than 1, that is false. 235 is bigger, but right here for this instance, it says 235 is less than 1, which will be false. To check if a number is bigger or greater than another number, we will use the greater than operator. So we want to print out if 101 greater than 90, which is true. 101 is greater than 90. And of course, if you all need some help, go in the description, ask for help. But think about it like this. If 0 is right here, and this is your 90, and this is your 100. Now, question asks if, and this is your 1. If 1, it says print, don't get confused by print. Print is basically saying that I want to see this in the output when I press enter. In a terminal or whatever. It's basically saying print 1 greater than, which is probably not a good, probably not that, it's not that fancy, but yeah, it's greater than. Remember, to the right side, when it's pointing to your right, then it's greater than. So print 1 greater than 100, which we know 1 right here, and we can see 100 right here. And right here it says 1 is greater than 100. 1 is not greater than 100. 100 go past 1. So we know 100 is greater than 1. Now if it says 100 is greater than 1, then that would have been true. But since it didn't, this right here will be false. It's okay to draw it out for y'all can get a visual representation first starting off. What do we use the greater than operator for? We use the greater than operator for, first option is to check if a number is greater than another number. The second one says to check if a number is equal to another number. Y'all can pause at this video at this time. Alright, so the answer is the first one. Check if the answer is greater than nothing. Remember, right point to the right is greater, point to the left is less. What do we call the greater than sign? We call it the greater than operator. What does this code display in the console? So it's saying that, hey, print, again, print just means, hey, I want to see this. So print, you can transfer and be like, hey, I want to see what I want to see. I want to see if 10 is less than 1. The question is 10 less than 1? You can pause video at this time. Alright, so the answer is false, because 10 is not lesser than 1. 1 is lesser than 10. Again, on the map, we can put 10 right here, and put this right here, and then the 10 is right here, so we tell that 10 is higher up from 0 than 1 is. So what does this code display in the console? So basically saying that 1 is greater than 1. 1 is not greater than 1. 1 is equal to 1, but that's not an option. Right here it says 1 is greater than 1. So it's be false. 1 would be greater than 0. It would be true, but it doesn't say that. So they want to see if 5 is greater than 4. This is how it will look like. And there you go. It's true. 5 is greater than 4. Check if 30 is less than 40 with the less than operator. So just want us to put the operator. That's a good thing about this app. You don't have to go finding where your operator things is at in your keyboard or wherever you want on your laptop. But you have it right here. You get all the access to every little symbol, or you could. Alright. There you go. So make this code display true in the console. So we can choose the first one, second one, and third one. We got 3 options. Okay, so we want it to display or show us true once we press enter or run this code. So 10, let's go through the first one. First one is, you can eliminate that because that is how you define a variable. And it's not dealing with operators or comparing anything right now. 10 is less than 9. Is 10 less than 9? No. Is 10 greater than 9? Yep. So this will be true. That's what we're looking for, if it was true or not. Go to the question. Okay, so this one says display, basically show me false in the console by coding the greater than operator. So they just told me just put that in there, because we know the greater than operator is towards the right, and saying that 100 is greater than 200. is false. 200 is a bigger number, so therefore that's false. So yeah, you should download this app. You can join leaderboards and compete with other people around the world and have a little community within with your friend group and see who will get to the lesson quicker and who can make the program faster, most in the least amount of code. Like you all can just go on with this series. Every video will be very beneficial and helpful for you all. And if you all have any questions, need some help, you all can just yeah, leave a comment. And the app is called Mimo. It's in the description. It's also be a playlist that you all can check out if y'all new to the series. So yeah, that's all to it. Mimo. Thank you all and have a great day.